Today we're going to talk about how to hold and use your knives.
Okay, so there's two parts to holding and cutting with a knife. First, in your dominant hand, you want to pinch right where the handle meets the blade, and then you're going to rest the face of the blade on your other knuckles as you cut.
Always have your fingertips curled underneath your knuckles. Your thumb back here is the conveyor belt that's feeding the food. Don't let your thumb get out here and get that cut. But so I just rest against one knuckle. Some people have two knuckles while they're doing it. And you can just determine what width of cut you want by how fast you move your knuckles. The blade is touching at all times. I don't even have to look at it. And then it's just a matter, when you're doing something with the celery. If you just want to make it look cool, you can cut across it. You can cut on the bias like this. And there's actually a couple different ways to cut with the knife. Some people cut straight up and down. It's more of an Asian style, I would say. If you have a longer knife like this, you can also keep the tip resting on the end of the cutting board and just lever up and down like that. That's it. And it doesn't really matter. Use that same technique on anything you're going to cut.